Are you a 360 photographer looking to make money with virtual tours? If you're not, then it's okay. Go watch another cat video, no judgments. But if you are, then I have some exciting news. My brand new video course, Virtual Tour Pro, is finally ready. I've spent the past year putting together the ultimate virtual tour masterclass aimed at showing you every single step of the process, from planning to shooting to editing to getting clients and getting paid for your virtual tours. The course will take you from beginner to pro, even if you have no experience and no previous clients. I've been asked literally every question imaginable about virtual tours over the years, and Virtual Tour Pro answers them all chronologically in depth with the equivalent of around 70 YouTube videos, all on the theme of virtual tours. If you've ever wanted to turn your love of 360 photography into a part-time or full-time job, then Virtual Tour Pro is your excuse to finally do it. If you've ever struggled to find new clients or not known what to say to those clients, as well as what to charge for your tours, then Virtual Tour Pro has the answers. Not only will we cover the entire shooting process from beginning to end, revealing my entire workflow for getting professional results with a point-and-shoot 360 camera, but step by step, I'll also show you how to start a virtual tour business from scratch and get regular, ongoing paid clients. Now, I want to clear up a common misconception. The most successful 360 photographers out there are not the ones with the best technical skills. Yes, they do know how to produce a professional result with their tours, but more importantly, they know how to sell their tours and create a profitable business around their work. So if you've struggled getting going in the past, then it's likely that you haven't mastered both of these areas evenly. I'm so confident that Virtual Tour Pro will help you do this, that if you follow it step by step and you don't make back the entire cost of the course on your very first shoot, then simply email me and I'll issue you a full refund. The 360 era is only just beginning, which means the opportunity that lies before you and I to have success as virtual tour photographers has never been greater. So you need to decide if you're going to keep doing what you've always been doing, or if you're going to start a brand new chapter doing what you love and getting paid to do it. I can't decide for you. To enroll in the course, go to virtualtourpro.com or simply follow the link in the description. Happy 360ing, and I hope to see you in the course.